Charging errors are a critical issue for EV users. Interoperability is one of the most important factors for successful EV charging. Interoperability is also essential for improving the overall experience of an EV. How have you evaluated interoperability? The common, conventional way is to connect EVs with real EV charging stations to check whether charging has been successful or has failed. With this approach, however, it is not possible to quantitatively evaluate the differences between actual good and error situations. In addition, in case of an error, you have no way to troubleshoot, which is critical. In order to solve these issues and also evaluate and ensure more precise interoperability, Keysight has developed the Scienlab Charging Discovery System, or CDS. The CDS can support typical EV charging tests all in one unit. In man-in-the-middle tests, the CDS works as a charging analyzer to monitor the communication and power flow between the EV and the EV charging station. You can visually check the status in real time to confirm the charging quality, identify the spot where an error has occurred, and analyze the cause of the error. In an EV test, the CDS emulates an EV charging station. You can set various parameters including voltage and current. The CDS works as an ideal charging station to enable highly repeatable tests. The CDS also enables the checking of margins in good cases because it works as a measurement reference. And the CDS reduces the time, effort, and cost for test combinations that require various kinds of EV chargers. Another key feature is its function as an EV charging station tester. The CDS supports all standards in many countries for DC quick charging, offering several hundred test cases to verify interoperability and conformity according to international charging standards. The CDS enables automated test case packages for each charging standard, releasing engineers to spend time and effort on test case development. Continuous software updates enable testing using the most recent specifications. The CDS also allows you to generate and modify test cases with its sophisticated test case editor. Offering test cases enables you to generate extreme conditions and error cases in a repeatable and safe manner, which really can't be done using actual charging stations. The modular design allows quick adaptation to all charging standards. EVSE adapters are slot-based modules which can easily be exchanged. The corresponding range of EV charging cables is also available. You can configure your CDS system to meet individual requirements in various countries and regions. For conducted and radiated EMC measurements during the charging process, Keysight has developed a shielded EMC version of the CDS. At the worldwide automotive customer centers, you can test a wide range of functions in person. To ensure that all EV users have a safe, secure, and successful charging experience, a single Keysight charging discovery system supports various charging test conditions essential to achieving these goals. Give it a try.